Now example number 3. Example number 3. Solve 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon 7, that is y plus 2. Y plus 2 is equal to 27. 13 upon 2x plus 1 plus 7 upon y plus 2 is equal to 33. 33. Now here consider example. 7 by 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon y plus 2 is equal to 27. 13 upon 2x plus 1 plus 7 upon y plus 2 is equal to 33. इथं numerator बघा 2x plus 1, इथं numerator denominator 2x plus 1, denominator 2x plus 1. Here is y plus 2, here is y plus 2. Clear? So therefore, that is put 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equal to m. Any variable x y सोडून कुठलाही व्हेरिएबल ठेवायचं. Put 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 2 is equal to n. Y plus 2, 1 upon y plus 2 is equal to n. So therefore, that is equation we get 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equal to m, that is 7m. 7m plus 13n is equal to 27, that is equation number 1. We get, that is the linear equation variable. 7m plus 13n is equal to 27, equation number 1. Again 13m plus 7n is equal to 33, equation number 2. अशा प्रकारचे आपल्याला दोन समीकरणे मिळतात. that is the linear equation in two variable. Okay? So therefore, consider here, compare here 7m, 13m, 13m, 7m. Such type of equation is known as alternate type equation. अदला बदल समीकरण असे म्हणतात त्याला अदला बदल समीकरण असे म्हणतात. that is the such type of equation, alternate type equation. 7m, 13m, 27, 13m plus 7m is equal to 33. Alternate type equation. Such type of equation solved by using first adding, next type that is subtracting. So therefore, first adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. 7m plus 13m is equal to 27. 13m plus 7m is equal to 33. Add this. 7 plus 13, 20m plus 20m is equal to, that is 60. 27 plus 33, that is 60. So divided by, throughout 20, divided by 20 throughout, that is m plus n is equal to 3. 3 okay? Equation number 3. m plus n is equal to 3. We will get, that is equation number 3. Now subtracting equation second from 1. Then that is second from subtracting equation second from 1. 7m 7m plus 13m is equal to 27. 13m plus 7n is equal to 33. Changes sign below, minus. Clear? 13m minus 13m plus 7m, that is minus 6m. Minus plus, that is here plus 6m is equal to minus 6. So therefore, divided by 6 throughout. पूर्ण समीकरणाला 6 ने भागून टाकायचं. So therefore, that is minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. Equation number 4. अशा प्रकारचे दोन समीकरणे मिळतात. That is m plus n is equal to 3, minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. Here plus m, here is minus m. That is signs are different variables are same. So therefore, while signs are different, then adding equation, adding equation 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then we get m plus n is equal to 3 minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. That is to eliminate m, plus minus will be cancelled. Here n twice n is equal to 2, 3 minus 1. Here n is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, that is n is equal to 1. Put in equation third. So समीकरण घ्यायचं. Equation third becomes m plus 3, m plus n is equal to 3. That is m plus 1 is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 minus 1. M is equal to 2. This is the value of 2. That is m is equal to. N is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2. We will get the values of m and n. So next step, that is put original value of original value of m and n. Put original value of m and n. Here m is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 1. Here n is equal to 1 upon y plus 2. So therefore the value of m is equal to 2 is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 1. n is equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon y plus 2. Take here cross. 2 in bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Solid. 4x plus 2 is equal to 1. That is 4x is equal to 1 minus 2. 4x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 4. Like as that is take cross here. Y plus 2 is equal to 1. Take y is equal to 1 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. So therefore that is xy solution set xy is equal to, that is minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 is the solution set of the given equation. Okay? तर अशा प्रकारचं अल्टरनेटिव्ह इक्वेशन या प्रकारे आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येतं. ठीक आहे. नाउ next problem. Words problem. That is application of simultaneous equation. शाब्दिक उदाहरण. In words problem, example read carefully. A two-digit number and the number with digit interchange add up to 143. In the given number, the digit in unit place is 3 more than the digit in the 10th place. Find the original number. काय म्हणतं? Find the original number. मूळ संख्या शोधायची आहे. तर a two digit number that is digit means अंक, दोन अंकी संख्या. For example here, दोन अंकी संख्या कशाला म्हणायचं? Here is that is 32. Here is suppose 32. 32 means काय? 32. That is 3 said to be 10 place. याला म्हणतात 10 place. And 2 is said to be, that is the unit place. याला म्हणतात unit place. 10 place, unit place. एकम दहम स्थान. दहम स्थान म्हणजे काय? whose multiple coefficient is 10. unit place म्हणजे काय? तर whose multiple coefficient is 1. So therefore 3 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. We get the two digit number, that is 32. अशा प्रकारची जी संख्या असते त्याच्यामध्ये दोन डिजिट असतात, दोन अंक असतात. त्याला पहिल्या अंकाला 10 प्लस म्हणतात, दुसऱ्या अंकाला युनिट प्लस म्हणतात, दहम स्थान, एकम स्थान. अशा प्रकारची संख्या तयार होते, त्याला दोन अंकी संख्या असे म्हणतात. हे आपण अगोदरच्या वर्गांमध्ये शिकलेलो आहे. ठीक आहे. Now next, here a two-digit number and the number with digit interchange. दोन अंकी संख्या आणि त्याच संख्येची अदलाबदल केली असता दोघांची बेरीज किती येते? 143. दोघांची जी बेरीज येते ते 143 येते. इन द गिवन नंबर द डिजिट इन युनिट प्लेस, त्या संख्येमध्ये युनिट प्लेस इज 3 मोर दॅन द डिजिट इन द 10 प्लेस. त्याचा एकम स्थानचा अंक हा दहम स्थानच्या अंकापेक्षा 3 ने मोठा आहे. तर मूळ संख्या कोणती हे आपल्याला विचारलेलं आहे. बघू. हेन्स दॅट इज हियर let unit place be the digit of the digit of unit place b, the digit of unit place b, the digit of unit place b x, and the digit of 10 place by. एकम स्थानचा अंक x आहे, दहम स्थानचा अंक कोणता आहे? y आहे. The original number that is two-digit number is equal to whose multiple coefficient is 10, that is 10y, whose multiple coefficient is 1, that is x. So therefore the original number we will get 10y plus x. The original number मूळ संख्या 10y अधिक x. क्लियर? त्याच्यानंतर म्हटलंय the number obtained by interchanging the number obtained by interchanging the digits. The number obtained by interchanging the digits is equal to कोणती संख्या द्यावी? त्याचा अंक बदलायचा आहे. जिथं दहम स्थान आहे तिथे एकम स्थान, जिथे एकम स्थान आहे तिथे काय करायचं? दहम स्थान. So therefore 10x plus y. That is the interchange number, that is the original number. From the first condition, पहिली अट दिली आहे, दोघांची बेरीज किती दिली आहे? 143. So therefore that is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 143. दोघांची बेरीज दिली आहे. पहिली अट सांगते की दोघांची बेरीज 143 आहे. Then add is, that is x plus 10x, that is 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. याला जर समजा 11 जर भागलं divided by 11 we get x plus y is equal to 11 1 11 11 3 30. x plus y is equal to 30. याला इक्वेशन नंबर 1 म्हणायचं. क्लियर? याला म्हणायचं इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकंड कंडिशन काय सांगते? फ्रॉम द सेकंड कंडिशन सेकंड कंडिशन काय सांगते? इन द गिवन नंबर द डिजिट इन युनिट प्लेस डिजिट कोणता आहे आपल्याजवळ? x is equal to 3 more than the digit in the 10 place. Thus of 10 place, that is the 3 more than the digit in the 10 place. The स्थानच्या अंकाच्या कितीने मोठा आहे? 3 ने. So therefore x is equal to y plus 3. x is equal to किती? y plus 3 more than y plus 3. That is x minus y is equal to 3. Equation number 2. X minus y is equal to 3, equation number 2, and x plus y is equal to 30, equation number 1. Consider here is x, here is also x, here is plus y, here is minus y. Variables are same, coefficients are also same, but signs are different. So therefore adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 to eliminate y here. To eliminate y. So therefore, x plus y is equal to 13. X minus y is equal to 3. To eliminate y, plus minus will be cancelled. Here twice s is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 divided by 2. 16. X is equal to 8. Here x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Put in equation. Put in equation third. Equation third. Equation 1. Equation 1. Here is equation 1. X is equal to 8. Put in equation 1. So therefore equation becomes x plus y is equal to 13. That is 8 plus y is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13 minus 8. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. There y is equal to 5 आणि x is equal to 8. आपल्याला x आणि y च्या किमती मिळाल्या. आपल्याला शोधायचा आहे फाइंड द ओरिजिनल नंबर. आणि ओरिजिनल नंबर कोणता आहे आपला? the original number. The original number is equal to original number कोणता आहे? 10y plus x. 10y plus x. So therefore 10 multiplied by y is equal to 5 plus x is equal to 8 and hence 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. So therefore that is the find the original number. The original number be कोणता असला पाहिजे मग 58 and hence that is the original number. The original number be 58. The original number be 58. The original number be 58 आणि म्हणून ती मूळ संख्या 2 अंकी संख्या 58. ठीक आहे. तर असे आपण विविध प्रकारची उदाहरणं या लिनियर इक्वेशन टू व्हेरिएबल्स प्रॉब्लेम सेटमध्ये घेतलेले आहेत. उर्वरित उदाहरणं आपण घरी सोडवावेत आणि नोटबुकमध्ये ते लिहून कंप्लीट करायचे. धन्यवाद. इथे आपलं चॅप्टर कंप्लीट झालेला आहे.